How to sign up for Tinder or create a Tinder account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can sign up for Tinder. So to do that, first of all, download the Tinder app on your mobile device and then simply open it. Now once you've opened the app, it will basically provide you three different options on how you can log in. You can either log in using your Google account, or if you'd like, you can also use your Facebook, and finally, if you want, you can also log in using your phone number. So for this example, I'll simply choose my phone number. Now enter your phone number over here and then simply tap on the option continue. Now it will send a verification code to your phone number, so simply enter the code over here and then tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, you'll have to enter your email address, and if you want, you can also enter your Google over here. Now for now, I'll simply enter my email address and then tap on the option continue. Now once you've done that, tap on the option I agree. After that, enter your first name and then tap on the option continue. Now enter your date of birth. After that, tap on the option continue, and remember one thing, your birth date will be public. So once you've done that, select your gender, and then if you want, you can show your gender on profile, but if you don't, you can simply untoggle this bar and then tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to select your sexual orientation, so if you want, you can also skip this process. And now you'll have to choose what you want Tinder to show you, so simply choose this option and then tap on the option continue. Now you'll have to select what you are looking for, but if you don't, you can simply skip this process and then do the same for the interests as well. Now you'll have to select at least 2 photos to continue, so simply add your photos over here and then tap on the option OK. So let me add my photos real quick. Now once you've added photos, simply tap on the option continue. And now if you want, you can allow locations. So for now, I'll simply allow locations, and there you have it. That is basically how you create a Tinder account. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.